I'm just in a random wood somewhere next to Vancouver. It's my first time camping out since I was about 11 years old. Should be a bit of a laugh. Things I get up to. Ta-da! Made that look like hard work. So that's my first night over. It's 5 AM in the morning. I'd be lying if I said that I had the best night's sleep ever, because I was hungover, I had jet lag, and I'm just sleeping in a random forest in Canada on my own. But as far as comfort goes, it was all right. I'm sure I'll get better at it as I go on, but yeah. Hey! Plain sailing from here, boys. America, here I come. Today, I'm going to be attempting to cross an international border on a push crank. Surely it's possible. Surely you can walk across if you've got the right paperwork and that. We'll soon find out. That's it. I'm on American soil. Oh yeah. Yeah.
All right, have a good one.
Brilliant, mate. Thank you. Well, now it's official. I'm on American soil. The land of the free and the home of the brave. That was really simple. You just go into the office, give them your passport, and as long as you've got your visas and everything like that, it only takes about 5 minutes, so really easy. Let's fucking go. The adventure begins. Might go see my main man Apu, see if he's got any donuts for me. What's happening, people? Today I'm doing a 30-mile bike ride from Bellingham to Mount Vernon. It was raining last night, so all my gear's a bit damp, and yeah, it's a little bit miserable, but we move. Let's get started. Yeah, boy! Ah! Shit! So I'm doing another 30-mile bike ride today from Mount Vernon to Marysville. I'm gonna pop some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. Today I'm gonna be heading down to Seattle. I'm looking forward to this one because it's gonna be a big checkpoint off the list. There she is, baby. Seattle in the distance. We made it. Come on.